That's one thing concerning LOSI. Everything is LOSI. So we're gonna see many of them, like here, tons of them, man. So we're gonna check out a new one we're gonna use. In fact, I can even tell you copy all of them if you can. You know what? And I'm a lazy guy. Copying all the time doesn't do me any good. So what I'm gonna come down here and do is this. I'm gonna look for this link. Download. Okay, so just come out here. If you're a lazy guy like me and you hate typing and everything, just click on download 100. Now, yeah, I export it as CSV for Excel. Now you're gonna come out here too and download 100. Okay. And export it too. Download it and export. So that is it. I'm also gonna come out here and say, yo, just let us say woodworking projects. Can just type. We want to make sure that everything on woodworking. You know one thing good. Doing LOSI, I use my LOSI method to do everything I want to do on the internet. I use it to claim all the traffic, and that's why I don't give a damn. I try using everything concerning LOSI. Everything I know, workshop, bench, anything like in this stuff. Now, in this way, woodworking. Now, I'll be talking about woodworking, bench, and everything I know about woodwork. Okay, I will be putting it in my post as an LOSI. That's why I'm downloading everything now. So what I'm gonna be doing, just come up now, click, and it will appear. Come up, click, it will appear. That is it. So that's what I'm gonna do. So now I can guarantee that we're almost done with our keyword research. Keyword research is very simple, but only if you understand the core basic of keyword research. If you understand what you're doing, if you understand the topic, the major keyword, and the LOSI keywords, everything is LOSI keyword. Topic keywords, there are particular topic keywords, and likewise, the major keywords, there are particular things you target, but everything is LOSI keyword. Take it from me. You can go and ask any other person who knows what he's doing on the internet. Everything's LOSI keywords, and that is it. I can say that we're almost done right here. We still got this so let's say, so similar of LOSI that you have been missing. Usually, and that's why I say use your brain. Now you know what I just did right now. I know that timbers are related to woodworks. Okay, so immediately that timbers are related to woodworking, I use this for my LOSI, and I'm getting more LOSI like hardwood timbers, wood carpentry, and this is what I'm gonna be using to write most of my posts in this blog that we are going to create right now. So download all 12. I'm gonna download everything. So right now I think that we are almost done with our keyword research, but I want to tell you that we are not all that done right. Okay, there's something that we still need to do now. We want to rank for woodworking plans, right? Okay, now we want to be number one on woodworking plans, and to be number one on woodworking plans, if you go over to Google and type in woodworking plans, you realize that some people are already number one in woodworking plans, and we need to outsmart them. So what we do right now, what we're gonna do now is go over back to Google and type in woodworking plans. Already here, I'm gonna type in woodworking plans and then hit enter. So we're gonna wait and see what happens now. So right now on Google, okay, we've seen this site that are already ranking number one for the keyword woodworking plans. Okay, so what we're gonna do right now is this. We're gonna come over here. We want to pick up this particular website. We want to know the particular keywords that they are using for their website. We know that they are ranking for woodworking plans. We want to know the major LOSI that you so we can beat them to their test. Okay, so we're gonna do nice. We want to go back to Google Keywords tool. Now the number one here is absolutelyfreeplans.com. So what I'm gonna type in here is www. Click on this now. Absolutely freeplans.com. Then we hit on the search button. So you can see now this is the particular keywords that the www.absolutelyfluidplans.com are using. Okay, now you can see his keywords. You can see all the keywords that appear on his side, and this is what we're gonna do. Okay, we're gonna do it for the number one. You're gonna select the number one, the number two, and the number three guys ranking, and you're gonna do the same. So when you do absolute rated, then to start at ranking them is gonna be easy. So in the next step, I'm gonna be telling you how you're gonna outrank them. Okay, but first you need to arrange them. Then you're gonna download all these things one after the other. Okay, you're gonna download them. So when you download them, you're gonna keep them now. Then when we are creating our blog and when we are writing our articles, I will tell you how you're gonna use this particular stuff and outrank the already ranking number one guys, because now they have given us their keyword, the keyword that they're using to rank. Now we're gonna use it and kill them. That's the trick now. Now you're gonna tell me your food, then I'm gonna use your food and poison you. I'm gonna poison inside, I'm gonna poison you, and you're gonna die. That is how it works now. So we have seen their food, we have seen what is making them rank number one. So what we're gonna do is you take up this that's making them rank number one and use it to outsmart them and rank better than them in Google. That's what we're gonna do. Now that's the power of this keywords research. Okay, that we're gonna do a lot of them. So like I say, you're gonna do number one, number two, and number three to perfect it, to make it, and then you now collect an average result in both. Okay, and now see what we're gonna do. So I'm going to say now, in this case now, when you do the number one, number two, number three, you're gonna compare everything and pick the ones that rhyme together with highest searches. Like now you're gonna see that when you do this one now, you will see that this woodworking hardware will also appear as a keyword in another site, maybe the site ranking number 2 or the one ranking number 3. So when we see such thing now, we'll see such two keywords appear, we're gonna pick one, we're gonna pick them now. But like in this wood clamps now, when we see wood clamps here and the next one site or the next two sites wood clamp doesn't appear, we won't pick up wood clamps to outrank them. That means that wood clamps is just an edge. Okay, but if we want to outrank, we're gonna outrank. So the one thing that we're gonna pick is the person that makes them number one, number two, number three, the common keyword that appear in the three of them or in the two of them that we want to compare. That's what we're going to pick to outrank. But depending on what you are doing, you'd still need to pick one that appears only in the number one to outrank. That's what we're going to do. So right here, I'll be calling my keyword research a quit. Okay, I'll be calling a quit, so that in the next video I'll be teaching you how to create your first blog around that major keyword, and I'll be teaching you how to create your first topic and everything. So I won't be teaching you. So right here I'll be saying that keyword research, we've done a lot on keyword research. I've told you how you can get your LOSI keywords, how you can get your topic keywords for getting topic, how you can get your major keywords for buying a domain or getting a free blog. Then and also how I'm also telling you how you're gonna get the keywords that you're gonna use to outrank the already ranking number one guys on Google. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so we've already talked everything about keyword. This is my secret on keyword research. This is how I do keyword research. Others do their own keyword searching and that way, but this is what I do. So this is exactly what I do, and I rank number one in nothing less than 24 hours. So this is exactly what I'm teaching you. Maybe you have another system, but I say try out my technique first of all. You're gonna see the amazing power of my system. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you watch my next video to know how to get started with your profits on ClickBank. Bye.